free and go to school, motherfucker. You sorry ass bitch. Give me my motherfucking money and I'm out of here. I don't have to have nothing. Just give me my money. Okay? No.
Excuse me, Keisha.
Get our money and let's go.
Goddamn.
Get our money and let's go. I ain't gotta put up with no sorry ass
Get out my money,
motherfucker. Get our money. Get our money and let's go. I ain't gotta put up with no damn thank you doing something church chicken motherfucker. Get our money and let's go. Get our money and let's go. You know what? I ain't throw shit away. And you lied to the police. You lied to the police and said I'm doing it. You lying bastard. You lying bastard. Damn. Lying ass bastard. You gonna something to say you told the police I threw that shit at you. Now I did. Now I did. Tell the truth. Now you can say I did. Stupid ass black ass boy. Now I did.
That's okay, it's all on camera.
Where's that?
He's out front. You too.